Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to delete or remove Google account from Google app. When you want to remove your account from Google app, so here you click on the where the E is, or your right hand side corner. You click on it. You go to manage account on device. Manage account on device. You click on it. Here, you will choose one of the account that you want to remove or one of the email you want to remove from the Google app. You choose one. So I will choose the first one. You click. When you click, you see remove account. So when you click it, it will ask you remove account. So if you want to remove account, you click on remove account. So it will permanently remove your Gmail account or email account from Google app. So this is how you can remove your Gmail account or Gmail or email from your Google app. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.